Wait. Wait.
We are here at the oldest intersection to receive new Polara IDS buttons. This is Prince Road and Oracle Road. We got Polara IDS buttons. These ones do the two-tone and the whistle. This one does the double note. This one does the double tone. This one's also equipped with McCain signals.
Wait. Wait.
This one's also broken.
Wait.
I believe.
Wait. 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 Wait.
It might be broken.
Wait. 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 Wait.
Okay, there's still...
Wait.
There's no indication what's going on yet. There's a good chance I might get a whistle. Yep. Most of the buttons here, besides this side, used to have Polara Bulldogs here, but this side had Campbell buttons originally before it was replaced with these.
Wait. Wait.
This one's delayed.
Wait.
Also, this intersection has already had its first button replacement, which is a black IDS button installation.
Wait.
You'll see it when we get to the other side.
Wait. Wait.
Also, let's see what the wire number is. 2D. So these are iDS2s, technically.
Wait.
These ones are technically iDS2s.
Wait.
Maybe that new button is a different story, though. Without hurting myself. Yeah, it's a 2D.
Wait. 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 Wait.
That's it.